we're launching and we're crashing. Let's hit the pigs till they all go pop. We're the best birds, but we're angry. If you take our eggs, we're never gonna stop. Every female library will get 3 stars and set you straight. Maybe find a golden egg and win until the next update. Screw the pigs, they're wearing helmets, hard hats, using tricks, fake mustaches and green skin. It don't matter cause I know I'm gonna win. Birds on the side, they're pretty fly. Launch them in the air, the pigs can't hide. It's totally fair, you took her eggs like a spy. And besides, I got my finger as a guide. Touch the screen, the birds are angry, mean. They don't stop on Christmas or Halloween. They're always gonna switch to a different theme. They're definitely making up the greatest team. Got that slingshot and pull it back. Aim for the right spot, then attack. You took our eggs, that was whack. And if you do it again, we'll come.
Fire right now, boy.
Oh. 45 to 25. Dang. 25. $65. I saw.
Oh yeah. Too easy.
54 to 43. Ronnie's the winner. What the heck? What is he doing?
To you. Happy birthday, dear Kayla. Happy birthday to you. Woo! You know that cake is warm. Blow, boy, blow! Yay!
Time, but I've been thinking maybe that you should know. Hey, hey, baby, can we compromise? I really want you to be mine. I got a million places that we could go.